guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute because I literally work every day of the week, but I have off today, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna film a video, and I'm filming a summer style with me video. I'm gonna show you guys a few outfits that I personally like to wear for the summertime, and then some accessories that I think are really cute for the summertime. This is all my personal opinion, so you can take all this with a grain of salt. This is what I think is cute. Some of it's like trendy, some of it's just stuff that I like, because honestly, like, if you like it, wear it. Who cares if it's in trend or not? But with that said, let's just get into the video. Alright, so first is we have skirts. So I actually used to hate skirts, but now I'm kind of in my skirt era. I think they're really cute, but I'm mainly talking about like athletic and golfing skirts. So you can find these at the thrift store, like really cheap. That's where I found the one I'm about to show you. And to like kind of like elevate the look a little bit, I added a gold chain link belt. Obviously I wear gold jewelry, but silver is just as cute. Whatever like your metal is, rock your metal. I just prefer gold. But yeah, and then with this I have on just this white top, super basic, super cute, but like the gold belt kind of elevates the whole look. It makes it look like you put a lot more effort into it. Plus, like with accessories, I would be wearing like gold chains, a lot of rings, you know the tea. And for shoes, I would probably wear my white high top Converse, because I love those shoes so much. Okay, so personally, I love a good old shirt and jean combo. It can be basic, but you can make it cute with the style top you're wearing and how you accessorize and your hair. I love these open back tops because, you know what, the fabric's not on your back can breathe, it can feel the wind, it can feel the air, you're not gonna have back sweat, but it's still cute, and it's a little bit more cute than just like a basic top, because in the front it looks basic, but then they see the back and they're like, okay, period. And you can match your bra to it. Like right now I have on a red racer back bra just because I owned one, so it kind of worked with this top. But I have a green version of this top and I wear a black bra with it, racer back. I think that's cute, like a cute bra with something like cute in the back. Just so it's not like bare. You could go braless, free the nipple. Personally, that's not my vibe. But yeah, with this outfit, I would probably wear, actually they're right here, so I'm just gonna show you. With this specific shirt, I would be wearing these Air Force Ones. They're the shadow ones. I love these shoes so much. They're so cute. And then with my hair, honestly, just something like this. I'm obsessed with this hairstyle right now. It keeps the hair out of my face, and it looks really cute. The next outfit is another shirt and jeans combo, but this is gonna focus more on this shirt, and it's like crocheted / knit tops. You can find these all day long at thrift stores or like cute little beach shops. I actually found the one I'm wearing at Ross again. But these are really cute, and I've been seeing a lot of people like style these very cutely, so I think they're adorable. I think they're so cute. Mine actually came with a built-in bra. I'm still wearing a bra though, because again, I don't like to free the nipple. That's just not my vibe. But yeah, those were the cute pair of like bootcut jeans. I love bootcut jeans. I'm not gonna do an outfit in bootcut jeans, but just know they are so cute. People sleep on them. They're adorable. Okay, next, and probably my favorite, is gonna be halter tops. I think these tops are so cute. I've always kind of been obsessed with them. They are very in. The one I'm wearing right now I actually got from a thrift store, literally for $5. It was just hanging there, and I was like, yeah, but I saw a few halter tops. So again, go to your thrift store because you can find some cute pieces. But I love this. Again, it's the open back, so you know you're not going to be sweating, but you're going to be serving. You know what I mean? And you know what? This came with this one has a built-in bra, and you know what? I feel comfortable enough to not wear the bra on top of the built-in bra with this shirt. You know what I mean? Period. And then with halter tops, I like to wear my hair back, and then I think some super like dangly earrings, like these chain link ones that I got from Nordstrom Rack, are so cute. I would not be wearing jeans with this, but the pants I would wear with this outfit, they're dirty, so like just pretend I'm not wearing jeans. But yeah, it's just like so cute. Second to last is those like scarf tie in the back tops. I was honestly very like anti these tops, but because I found one with straps on it at Nordstrom Rack, now I think they're cute, and if I find them with straps, I will buy them. But yeah, they're super cute. This one is like navy blue and white. It's kind of serving like grease, so I just paired it with this gold chain and some white pants that you'll see in a second. Yeah, I think it's a super cute top. I don't know, I was very anti these tops, but now I think they're adorable when they have the straps. And I would never do like a DIY version. I would actually buy a top already like made like this, you know what I mean? I wouldn't just take a scarf out of my hair drawer and like call it a day, because absolutely not. But here's the top. So now, last but not least, I said that like 5 times already, but now I'm gonna show you just some summer accessories that I think are super cute and what I have been wearing all summer so far. It is pearls slash beaded necklaces. These are so in, and you know what? They're super cute. You can find them on Depop and Etsy all day long, or you could just make them yourselves. I've made this one, a little green moment. I've made this one, like a rainbow pearl moment. And this one I did buy on Depop. The girl was super nice. It's like pearls with these little like smiley face flowers. But these are so cute. They layer so well. And I will link all the materials to make these down below, because I just bought a kit on Amazon and it's kind of been the ticket, so period. Next are rings. So some people love rings, some people hate rings. I'm in my ring era. I usually have like 6 rings. I usually have like da-da-da. I'm trying to have like a ring on every finger eventually. But like super fun rings, like I have this yin yang, I have a smiley face, I have a little pink heart, like super fun and colorful rings. Obviously I just have like your basic like standard like gold ones. I have some silver ones too, but like again, I'm more of a gold girl. But yeah, just like big chunky extra rings are so cute for the summertime. They make any fit look like 10 times better, and just that you put more thought into the fit. Last but not least, I actually have not worn this yet. I'm trying to like wear it soon though, but hats. Now this one is so extra. Okay, this one is like you just came to New York City for the first time and you went off in the souvenir shop. I love the souvenir shops. I think they have the cutest stuff, and when I saw this I was like, yes. I actually bought this on the Brooklyn Bridge for like 10 bucks, but I think hats are so cute. You can style them so cutely, and they keep the sun off your face. And sunscreen, not included in this video, but a very important accessory as well. Keep your skin looking young. But with that said, that is the end of this video. I actually had such a fun time making this. It made me realize like I have a lot of cute clothes in my closet, so the next time I complain about not having anything to wear, I'll just go back and rewatch this video and be like, shut up, yes you do. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully it's soon. I'm again so busy with work, but I'm gonna probably vlog some days in my life here in Florida, and I am going back to the city soon to tour apartment, so that'll be a whole little vlog. Maybe I'll do a video of me making these necklaces. Like, who knows? The world is my oyster. But yeah, see you next time.